Ribhoi rithem kari jonga lumlang ki khun jongpha teli ngin yang hakawai ka kerteng ngin kiu kerdan ru kham shaneng haka jingyai lanti ka baar phu prasnem bat haka jing persang ban yabut yabe bat yarngkat bat kiwei ki district jong ga jala Meghalaya ka Ribhoi district habakhen kelum kala nang yai kiu na kawai ka samoi sha kawai pan bat kumjuru na kawai ka snem sha kawai pan hakane ka snem ka bamanta ka Ribhoi district kala kanjo sha ka arphu prasnem nadu bala thung penskhem ya ka kum ka district ka bapura haka south tarik ubna jelliu 6000 khandai spa khandai puar na kaliang jong umahe Dr. Didi Lapang ubala ju khod ijru kum ukpa ka dong Ribhoi hakane kasngi ulapha ya ka jingkhublei ka bakrpang ya baro ki khun ki khti ki samla ki rangba ki kenthei bat ki khana ki badon hakadong Ribhoi baro kawai lengba jong kene ka khubor hakaju kapor umahe Dr. Didi Lapang ubadeiru chief advisor jong ka sarkar jela ula penpauru banamar ka jingwan sar kane ka khlam covid-19 klemla ban penlong ya ka jingya kendu ka bakerpang jong kinong Ribhoi na ka banta ban kenmau burom kerpang ya ka sngi lengkhu dapsnem jong ka district Henry Watla ka taru une unong yalam barat ba ka them Ribhoi hakane kasngi ula kentu ya baro ki khun ki hajar bakin kenmau batbu ha ka jingduai na ka banta ka jingbha jong ka district baro kawai ki them seiso ki klau seisbo ki dap hapne jongpha ka kper eden kari phalong rong jerngam phayai phong
anama orlok bi jong ka dong Ribhoi baro kawai menta ka sngi ka dai south tarik kasngi hagaba dong Ribhoi kalayo lagi jong ke district jongka mat kene ke district kalaya lenti arfu prasnam lente bat hakini ki prasnam ram shibun ke jingkiu hagbun kiliang kanjin dilap don ke jingya lang ka basotnat ka he ka ba pentkemen yo poiba jong dong Ribhoi ndai metam la bandon kene ke jingya kendulang jing pendon burom ya kena sri namar ba idai banyak le banyo ya ke jing ya le persya ya ke jing don jong covid-19 bolong ka khlam ka ba pentumar ya ke Ribhoi ba ya ke ri hi ba ka partai barokwe la rong ya bangan kren ni anor jong kene namar rongim la bandon ke jing slok lang kom rong Ribhoi ngai hagi prasnem ki bangalaya kane ka district kalaya don shibun ba ki development ngane thu lengkot hagaliang yung surok school college ke government office development yung agency babun kiliang la bande la don ki leader ki nong yelam barang ba yung dong Ribhoi wala lur la elestom banyo eneka district la ke jong regi to kim don shu Reki don kilidar mentaru kedang yele sitop ban kente ngedong Ribhoi mentang idon ki MLA idon ki MDC idon ki nong yelam wa pher hala ki dong yo ki dong nong yelam nyam ban ki nong yelam yagi rutur distri ki district jong Ribhoi ki jongi ki officer yo bun klalei no Mr. PJ Besley la DUS dio civil lo bonongkong agadong Ribhoi bat ki wei ba bun ba kala don menta ki officer jongi kala don bun ruk bishakri banira pangkentiu ya kane ka district ke jongi ndangi don menta ka DC jongi RM kurba ibalayo khandiat ban slok bagade ka jing dap jongka dap snem jongka Ribhoi ilayo ka ladran don lang ban menta ide don lang bagi chingile thma jongka Ribhoi jongi bat kane ka khlam ko don menta kajing ya le basubha jongi kalong ban penpau ya ki baladap ki jing subha ki bangyo nre menta idon ki jing kendu banele ya ka thma ha ki lockdown agwa bun ki jinge ki ba ka district Ribhoi borokawai ka hab banele persya ki inang tray Ribhoi ka tray sitom kata idon kita front liners bangyong kebadai ki COVID warrior iba don na ribhoi la tresitom idon ki seng bhalang NGOs isnong ki mai snong inong sinsar snong idon ru unki longkmi MLA ba MDC ki brong rangkat bot pai ba samla bat ki don kono ki jing pher long ka we don jing pher lolong hakadiam lolong hakasain persai la galong hakano ki yang baik persya banile ya kene klam mar kata akan nang sngi bukan mau ya ki jingyo ki district isga bangin ai ka muslim ka bak penslur ya ki nungele ki jongi ginyang scam da ki jingslur bada ka muslim jongi nyerap iwe isau tunat bagane ka klam la penang ki bre banan ki jingsau snai jingsau lam badwat ki baduk tamru la persang man sailis nyang bani ai ki jingrap hakaba munshua imla banyo ikene re abadon na ke jinge breu klawan da ke jing shania bada jing kermen scam bagane ke jing tli joki anula eka bor ba ka ba kham thamai ban tei ya ga riboy ga thamai ban tei ru ya ga megal ya ga thamai na kwa ban kuma ke ne ga si ban chimu ka bu bana ke jing kren khublai ya ki nongelan jo ga ri jongi jo ga haga jilla gari India haga jilla jeng state markata sha inga wan kren kandiat kintin friend. Dear friends, today the 4th of June happened to be the day where this has got its new district on that day, and this district has traveled a very long journey of 28 years, and during the journey the ups and downs are there, but it has gained a lot and we have a lot of improvement. I was entrusted to speak a few words in this time. I spoke few words in Kasi to praise the development that we have, but I spoke more that we have to be up and doing to face the trouble that we have and to face the struggle that is in hand. I spoke few words in Kasi to appreciate the hard work, the dedication, the courage, and we have to fight against COVID-19. Our Honorable Chief Minister, Konrad Sangma, and Deputy Chief Minister, both of them, they have led a very strong team. The ministers, the leaders, MLAs, MDCs are standing as one man to fight against this. And the frontliners and the NGOs also on the list of the working, which will be remembered in the chapter of Meghalaya and also in the country as a whole. Nurses, officers, and everyone in the state fought fearlessly, and also along with them we have seen all these ministers, the DC, doctors, all of them, they are together and we fight as one man, and we have one common enemy. India has got honor, gained honor and dignity outside the world, where by having a unity, irrespective of diversity that we have gained many things. We have won the independence of India, have won many development, and have won one portion in the outside world to see that, because India has always stood as unity amidst diversity. But today, there's a more valuable thing, because we have discovered one more important, and that more important is unity amidst adversity. This is the language of the Homer statement that the unity amidst diversity comes from the mind, whereas unity amidst adversity comes from the heart. When the heart and the mind combine together, we hope we will march ahead, and we will see that when the heart work together, we hope we will create a better world that we will love to live in, and where love and peace work together, love and peace will reign supreme in the country. We are thankful to our Honorable Prime Minister, who have really shown me the quality of leadership, the courage, and he will dare to fight, and he has projected the image of India in the global platform, and his very dynamic leadership is being recognized by the outside world as a whole. And he always in the top, and through his personality and his determination, India has got a very comfortable position in the global platform. Well, we let us hope and pray that Modi with his team of dedicated, which have done wonderfully well, will shine in the world, and let us humble down, and let the leaders of the nation as a whole will humble down to God and look up to Him and ask for a wisdom, the strength, and the guidance by Him, so that we'll go ahead. Let Almighty God lead us to victory, and let God will make us a heart to realize and to to have a comfortable thankfulness, and also explain to the world that God has led it to the top and should go down, to bow down to Him. He will give us a victory, and in return will express the thanks and humility and all the glory to Him. Long live India. Jai Hind.